I'll be showing you how the Manasquan River looks like, how there are restaurants and facilities to the side. We're heading back to the Bukan Fishing Center. Uh, there's another place as well right next to the Bugan Fishing Center. It's called Jamaican one. So it's a pretty nice area. It's night time, uh, and the views are pretty good. And I'll show you them. So stay tuned for them, and I'll show you the clips. So guys, we are coming back from the Atlantic Sea. As you can see, I will show. As I promised, I will show you the views. Here are some of the views as I promised. We are coming back from the Atlantic Sea. As you can see, we are going back to the Bokan Fishing Center. There is also another company, Jamaican one. As you can see, you can skin the fish you have caught for $1 a kilo. As you can see, it's pretty easy. You can take the fish home, or you can skin it here. Uh, I would recommend skinning it here because fish are pretty hard to skin, especially if you don't know how to. As you can see, it looks really beautiful, especially at night time. Uh, the views here are also pretty great. There are many other towns around it, like Belmore. They have very nice beaches around here. This place is connected to lots of things. It's located in New Jersey. To the west of it, uh, it's located near very famous places, and there are many timings of this. It's pretty cheap as well. The timings are from 6 a.m. to 12, which is pretty good, and 2 to 8 p.m. So 2 to 8 p.m. you can get very nice views. You can get the sunset, and this time where the sun is completely down, this looks very beautiful as well. The orange hue, it just lights up the sky very beautifully. And as you're entering the Atlantic Ocean, there's lots of I would say crazy waves. Here it's pretty peaceful and calm, especially when you are standing on the boat. You can take lots of photos and just get amazing results. The boat is pretty big. You can go around and do some fishing for yourself, or you can sit and take in the views. It goes pretty deep into the Atlantic Sea, and you get lots of fish. The most common fish are, the largemouth bass. So you can find them pretty easy, as they're basically, you could say, very filled with this water. uh, there are lots of facilities to the side of this place. This is like a canal, but the river name is Manasquan River. It is a pretty iconic river in New Jersey. This is the one that flows out into Atlantic Sea. There are lots of fishing companies that take you out. It's like you can catch your own fish, so you never know what you get. That's a thrilling part for me. And overall, at 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. I would say is the best option. But sunrise is also a pretty beautiful time to take photos. But I would say sunset is always better. You can get a light breeze while you're on the ship, and these ships are quite large. I think there are few, you could say, observation or viewing angles, 360 boat, so you can see from all around. You can go inside few of the places. So this boat is pretty huge. It just tells you how big boats really are. They might look small from outside, but as you can see, this tells otherwise. You have a person who skins fish for you. Lots of facilities inside of this boat as well. You can take some snacks, because staying here for like 6 7 hours, some people might not like it. And if you are seasick, do take some sea pills, because you know you might just get sick in the middle of the sea, and you wouldn't like it. I mean, I wouldn't recommend this for seasick people, but I enjoyed it. The weather was really nice today, a bit cloudy. The sunset was pretty beautiful, one of the best I've ever seen. America does give you one of the best sceneries, so I would recommend it. The tickets are pretty cheap as well, and it just pretty near to you if you live in New Jersey. Everything is pretty new to New Jersey as it is a small city and it's pretty easy to get there. As you can see, there are many beaches around here. Belmore Beach, they are pretty nice. They look like Cape May. Cape May is basically, you could say, to the north of this place. If you just go straight down like 2 hours, you can see, the iconic Cape May. It's one of the most famous places in New Jersey. So guys, we're nearing the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll post more videos about America, so stay tuned for it. And I have a surprise in my next video. uh, Hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for my next one. See you in the next video and have a good day.